Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting the Android SDK Platform Tools onto your machine. This is the single dependency for a DB, fastboot, and systrace. Extract the zip into an easy path so commands don't break. Once done, either export that folder to your path or run commands with the full path. On the device, enable developer options and USB debugging so a DB can authenticate. Then plug in the device, accept the RSA prompt, and run a DB devices to confirm a working connection. That step avoids wasted troubleshooting later. You now move into practical commands. Start with a DB shell to inspect device internals and run diagnostics. Use a DB pull or a DB push to move files between host and device quickly. For logs, use a DB logcat and add filters so you see relevant tags or PIDs. When you need lower-level flashing, reboot the device to the bootloader and use fastboot to flash partitions. Make sure the bootloader is unlocked and you understand the wipe implications. If you have many devices, target one with serial. For wireless work, you wrap up by turning these commands into a predictable workflow. Script repetitive sequences, include a DB wait for device and explicit error checks, and keep platform tools updated so protocols match the device. If a DB reports unauthorized, revoke USB authorizations in developer options and re-accept the host RSA key. This resolves mismatched keys. When fastboot operations fail, switch cables or ports. Ensure the device is in fastboot mode and confirm the bootloader state. These simple checks fix most failures. If problems persist, restart the DB server with a DB kill server and a DB start server.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.